afraid it's that time of the year when Rocky gets the stuffies.
Uh-oh. I think I have the stuffies. We know. The gigaflower must be in bloom. It always gives me the stuffies. I've heard the Giga's nectar is yummy, but the way Giganto guards it, I'll never taste it.
You know what, Rocky? I've been doing some research, and I think I've discovered something that might clear up your stuffies.
Really? What?
The roots of the zuzu trees. They're very rare and only grow in the jungle. Right about here. I've heard they can clear up stuffy crests. I'll go get you some.
That would be great, MAZU.
And I'll paint you a new Giganto card to cheer you up. I'll just run to the grotto to get a new paintbrush.
And I'll go get you some fruit for breakfast. Hey, guys, I'm not sick. I just have the stuffies.
But we don't mind, Rocky. Yeah, we want to help you.
Be back soon. I sure am lucky to have such good friends.